to a quick video on how to update your direct deposit information through the IDA system for Ideal HR. To get started, to find your direct deposit form, you'll click on the My Account up in the top left, followed by My Actions, and then you'll select Direct Deposit Change. You will need to select an effective from date in the system, so you see this effective from date here. If it needs to be something in the future, feel free to select a future date on there if you need to. Then when you scroll down, you'll see the actual direct deposit form itself. You will need to select the same effective from date on here, so I'm just going to go ahead and select date in the future. And then you can enter in your bank account information. You'll need to let us know what the bank name is, what your routing/ABA number is. That's going to be a 9-digit number on your check. If you're unsure what that is, feel free to give your bank a call, and they should be able to provide that to you. And then of course we'll need your account number. You'll then need to let us know whether it's a checking account or a savings account. And then in the deposit amount, you'll need to let us know how much of that check you want to go into your account. A lot of the times, if you just have one account, you're just going to put in that 100%. Now, if you have a secondary account, you can certainly set one up. So we'll do a second account here. Again, you'll supply the routing number and the account number, as well as whether it's a checking or a savings. In this case, let's say I only want 10% of my check to go into that account, and I want 90% to go into my first account on there. Another option you could do is, let's say you only want $50 of your check to go into one account, and then you want the rest of the amount to go into the secondary account. You can just type in remaining in there. It doesn't quite fit, but we'll get the idea. So in this case, $50 would go into your first account, and the remainder of your check would go into your second account. Now once you've supplied that information, you'll need to date the form down at the bottom, and just select the current date that you're filling out the form. Then click on the sign button, and this is going to ask you for the password that you use to log into the system. So go ahead and enter that in, and click on that I agree button. This will actually lock all the fields on the form before you submit it to us. Once you're ready to submit, you'll just click on that submit button up in the top right. It's going to ask you for a confirmation that yes, you do want to submit this. Just click on that yes button, and then you'll know you submitted it successfully when you get that success message up in the top left of your screen. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us here at Ideal HR. We're more than willing to help, and we will hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.